This is Raj. He's ready to start his day with a smile, but wait, what's this? Oh no, a flat tire. But Raj remembers he has the Seal-O-Tyre TravelSafe Pro Kit for his bike. Seal-O-Tyre is a patented solution that seals punctures instantly, up to 4 mm. It's the ultimate puncture solution for flat tires. Just remove the valve cap. Shake the sealant bottle well. Attach the nozzle, and squeeze the sealant into the tire. And close the valve cap. Raj takes out an inflator to fill the tire with air. After applying the sealant, fill the tire with air using an inflator. Drive the vehicle for 10 minutes. After that, stop the vehicle and check the air pressure of the tire and refill if required.
Seal-O-Tyre. Your safety, our priority. Visit seal-o-tyre.com to learn more.